It gives me immense pride to welcome you all today for the official launch of NALAM, Institute for Metabolic Disorders and Hormonal Health. As Dr. Swamikan has already mentioned, we are at a very critical point in our public health journey in terms of where we're at in terms of obesity numbers. Worldwide, we sit at about 1 in 8 people who are overweight, morbidly obese. And in India, it's nearly 1 in 4. So a lot more shocking statistic here. And this is not a number that is getting any better. We're only noticing that the trend is worsening, not improving. With this, it's not just about the numbers. It's not about just 1 in 4 people. It's not about a larger population problem. It's also individual, each person's experience of going through obesity, the silent struggle, the fatigue, the sleeplessness, the lack of quality, the hormonal disturbances that come at a young age, right from children to adults. At NALAM, we don't believe that weight loss is simply a cosmetic goal. There is a larger goal of well-being, which is why we call it NALAM, the Tamil word for well-being.
And now, with immense pride and joy, may I invite our chief guest, Ms. Khushbu Sunder, to address the gathering. Please join me in welcoming her with a round of applause.
Hi, good morning. உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நலமா அப்படிதான் கேட்குறேன். இந்த ஒரு இனிஷியேட்டிவ் நலம் சொல்லும்போது நிச்சயமாக நம்ம வாழ்க்கையில் வாட் இஸ் இட் தட் வி ஆர் மிஸ்ஸிங் அவுட் இஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். In today's life, which is fast moving, most of the youngsters or people on the go, they believe in fast life, fast food. Speed is what gives them the pleasure in every part and every journey of life. Speed is what they say that gives me a high. But I should tell you, anything that is about speed, they also say speed kills. And trust me when I talk about health. I've been mother of 2 children. நம்ம ஊர்ல நமக்கு என்னன்னா குழந்தைங்க கொஞ்சம் குழுமுழுன்னு இருந்தாக்கா அழகா இருக்கும், இல்லைன்னா என்ன குழந்தைக்கு சோறு போட்டியான்னு கேட்பாங்க. So we all believe that the child at home, our children should be a little on the heavier side. கொஞ்சம் நல்ல குழுமுழுன்னு இருக்கணும். எனக்கு தலை எடுத்து என்னன்னா, because I have been a little on the heavier side. எங்கே போனாலும் ஒரு வீட்டில் குழந்தை கொஞ்சம் குழுமுழுன்னு இருந்தாக்கா, இல்லை any woman who is little on a heavier side, எங்கே தான் எங்கள் வீட்டு குஷ்புங்க. It is a compliment that you say that your child or somebody that you love is like me. But what they do not understand, or they did not understand rather earlier, that me being on a heavier side is not a good sign of good health. It's very general thinking. You have 2 kids, you have cesarean, so it's very normal to put on weight and be on a heavier side. But no, I think we cannot push back our failures on something which is very normal to happen. We have seen people who have gone back to their normal weight after the birth of their children. So I think being a woman, it's extremely important for us, especially women like me, to understand that as you age, as you grow older, your well-being should be the priority in your life. And I realized that, and I realized it a little late. All my life, though I have been a little on the heavier side, initial ஒரு 3-4 படத்துல மட்டும் தான் நார்மலா இருந்தேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் heavier sideல தான் இருந்திருக்கேன் throughout. ஆனா என்னன்னா, what I didn't realize is what I'm going to take it forward with me. My biggest thing was sugar illa, BP illa, adala it's fine to be on a heavier side. But sugar illa, BP illa, adu mattum da health problem na neenga solla mudiyadhu. Oru mari irundhalum moochu vaangudhu. Oru naal you are getting absolutely breathless. Neenga vandu mele keela veetla pannaka you're tired. By the end of the day you're so tired. தூங்கும்போது நல்லா கொரட்டை விட்டு தூங்குறோம். கொரட்டை விட்டு தூங்குறோம்னா நம்ம கிண்டலா சொல்லலாம். But that also is not a good sign of good health. Like Dr. Swamikan very rightly said that you have sleep disorders when you're obese. With my 2 girls, till they were 16, 15, 16, they used to be obese. ஏன் கண்ணுக்கு அவங்க தெரியவே இல்லை. மை சைல்டு அழகா இருக்கு, கியூட்டா இருக்கு, ஐயோ பச்சு குட்டி இப்படி அவ்வளோ க்யூட்டாக இருக்குது. Oh, that is fine being a mother. But I think it's extremely important that we start realizing where we need to put a full stop. Junk food is something we keep giving. Like I said, speed. எல்லாரும் வேலை பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காங்க, ஓடிட்டு இருக்காங்க. So whatever is available off the rack, pick it up, put it in the microwave, heat it, eat it. Whatever you don't want to cook, I am tired, so you order something, bring it, junk food, eat it. Our வீட்ல யார் அவ்வளவு சமைக்கிறாங்க? So I think it's important that you realize that it's fine to indulge. நீங்க வந்து இங்க வரதுக்கு முன்னாடி நான் டாக்டர் சமைக்கணும் என்ன பூஜிதா பேசிச்சோம். It's not about you put a full stop to what you have. I think what we need to understand is everything should be taken in moderation. You know, இது சாப்பிட்ட போதும். நான் ஒரு நாளைக்கு 4 காஜு கத்லி சாப்பிடுறத விட ஒரு 4 காஜு கத்லி சாப்பிட்ட போதும். That craving me in me, அது போதும் எனக்கு. One more thing, my weight loss journey, a lot of people ask me, oh, you went through a surgery, or you have been on injections, or what did you do? I think COVID helped me. COVID helped me to lose weight, and that became a driving force, and this force came from my husband. Because our daily walking போக ஆரம்பிச்சாரு. அவர் என்ன வீட்டில் தான் இருக்க, வேறு எந்த வேலையும் கிடையாது. டெய்லி வாக்கிங் போகிறது, யோகா பண்ணுறது, வீட்டில் வெளியே போக முடியலன்னா காலையில் 1 மணி நேரம் வெறுத்து கொட்டி யோகா பண்ணுறது. And I saw the changes in him. And வீட்டில் வேலைக்காரங்க இல்லை, 8000 ஸ்கொயர் ஃபீட் வீடு இருக்கும்போது nobody is at home. So காலையில் 4 மணிலேருந்து you're cooking, sweeping, mopping, பாத்திரம் கழுவுறது, அந்த நேரத்தில் வாஷிங் மிஷின் வேலை செய்யாது, துணி வாஷ் பண்ணுறது, அதுவும் காய வைக்கிறது, இது எல்லாமே 3 வேலை சமைக்கிறது, இது எல்லாமே மேலே கீழே போகும்போது I realized that my skin was better, my hair was better, I was feeling fitter, I was looking better. So I was like, why not? Let me continue. And that's when I started walking, yoga, எல்லாமே பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சேன். In today's times, bariatric surgery பண்றீங்களா, இல்ல நீங்க வந்து ஓசோபின் மான்ஜரோ எடுக்கிறீங்க, இன்னைக்கு இருக்கிற சோஷியல் மீடியால everybody comes with a prejudgmental mindset and assumptions. இதுதான் நடந்திருக்கு, இதுதான் போயிருக்கு. They probably don't even know you from Adams. நீங்க யாரு, உங்க பேர் என்ன, எங்கிருந்து வரீங்க, என்னுடைய வாழ்க்கை எப்படி இருக்கும், எத்தனை மணி பிடிக்குமா, ஸ்வீட் பிடிக்குமா, இல்ல வேற ஏதாவது பிடிக்குமா, அது ஒண்ணுமே தெரியாது. ஆனா உட்கார்ந்து நான் வந்து ஜட்ஜ்மெண்டலா இருப்பேன். This is how it is, this is what they have been doing, this is what they have been taking. ஓ, ஸ்கின்க்கு போட்டாக்ஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க ஃபேஸ்ல, அவங்க வந்து ஒசோபிக் எடுத்திருக்காங்க, அவங்க வந்து அது என்ன டாக்டர் மான்ஜரோ எடுத்திருக்காங்க, அப்புறம் வேற என்னமோ நீங்க சர்ஜரி பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. Let people live their life how they want to be. If they want to take the injections to lose weight, what's going to help them, be it. It's certified by the doctors and they allow them to do it. So, அது சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, வேற வேலையில பேசிட்டு தான் இருப்பாங்க, பேசிட்டு போட்டோம். உங்க வாழ்க்கை உங்க கையில் இருக்கு. With Nalam, it gives you a larger platform to understand what you want to do and how you want to better your life. Not only your life. If you understand that this is going to work for me, you need to understand that this is how you have to take the well-being of your family forward. Iniki, to all the women at home, I have seen it. I have seen it with my mom. I have seen it with my mother-in-law. I have seen it with myself. I have seen it with my sister-in-laws. I think family சொல்லும்போது நானே அதுதான் பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம்னால we stop looking after ourselves. எனக்கு இதுக்கு டைம் இல்லை, எனக்கு to look after myself, I don't have time. I think we need to find that time. And நீங்க நல்லா இருந்தாதான் உங்க குடும்பமே நல்லா இருக்கும். ஏன்னா உங்களை நம்பிதான் உங்க குடும்பமே இருக்கு. So I would tell all the women, look after yourself. Responsibilities are there, but the biggest responsibility should be your good health. The biggest passion in your life is to be, I should be fine, I should be okay, I should be in good health. Only then I can give to my family who can look after themselves. So Nalam gives you that platform to understand a better way of living, to understand how you can look after yourself and your family. Little minuses here and there. We are here to help you and put you on the right path. Losing weight, probably with so many things happening, and I must say with these instant diets, what some people follow, probably lose sustaining it. When you lose weight, what is more important is that you sustain that. It's no point that you lose weight, 1 or 2 kgs, yo-yoing up and down is fine, but what is more important, that you need to learn how to sustain what you have lost. And all this I speak with my personal experience, because when I was doing almost 98, now a blouse and my sister was like, she looked at it and she looked at me and she said, "Were you this size?" I said, "Yes, I was." So it has been extremely delightful for me, because I continue to eat what I want to eat. I continue to do what I want to do. I indulged in ice creams, I indulged in Indian sweets, I still continue to indulge in Indian sweets. But I think, so once you know where to put a full stop, once you know how to take it forward with a lot of sustainability, and I say, I think what you need to take out of this room is Nalam gives you that platform to be happy in life. And if somebody is offering you happiness, grab it with both your hands. நிறைய பேர் சந்தோஷத்தை கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க, துக்கத்துக்கு மட்டும்தான் கொடுப்பாங்க. சந்தோஷம் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு நலம் இருக்கு, நலமா நம்ம கேட்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா உங்க நலனுக்காக ஒரு பிளாட்ஃபார்மே உங்களுக்கு நாங்க கொடுத்துருக்கோம். Grab it with both your hands and take it to all the people you know, especially those who need it, who need to understand, who have been struggling with any kind of obesity or any kind of problems with their body. I think bring them here and we give you the best of health. MGM is known to give you the best of health infrastructure and the best in business today. So I think this is just a step forward to make sure that you are healthy. But Ojita, you have to tell me if people are going to be... But jokes apart, I think everything is together. We need to join hands. It's not about me, it's not about you, it's not about us here. I think everyone outside there who keep asking me how to lose weight, trust me, it's easy to lose weight. It's here. It's here. And I say the best exercise to lose weight starts at home. You see your favorite food and go, right? Exercise to lose weight. So start from there, learn to say no, learn to understand where to say stop. And when you need help, we are here with you. Nalam. Thank you so much.